Tips on how to get rid of arthritis. Did you know that evidence of arthritis has been discovered in dinosaurs? While this fact may not make your elderly parent feel much better about their condition, there are plenty of helpful tips and tricks in this video. If you would like to know more about arthritis and ways that you can ease the effects, then watch this video. Arthritis can sometimes cause rashes on the arthritic areas on your body or on your face. If this is the case, you can buy cover-up and other makeup to hide these rashes. Many arthritis sufferers think that they should stay away from makeup, which is not true. If you are a woman who suffers from arthritis in your back, you may want to think about changing what bras you wear. Believe it or not, certain bras can make your arthritis worse by putting pressure on your back. There are actually bras that are made just for women with arthritis. Consider joining an arthritis support group. Friends and family members who don't suffer from arthritis may have a hard time understanding exactly what you are going through and how much it affects your life. Connecting with other arthritis sufferers in a supportive environment can make it easier to cope with the chronic, day-to-day pain and other difficulties associated with the disease. It is important that you get the flu shot if you suffer from arthritis. Just like with many other chronic illnesses, arthritis symptoms will get much worse if you get the flu and could even land you in the hospital. The flu shot is a simple shot that you only have to get once a year. For people who suffer from chronic arthritis, be careful when choosing a pet for your family. Remember, if your arthritis is acting up or even gets worse, it may be hard for you to care for your pet. Instead, you may want to consider getting a pet that is easier to take care, such as a fish. Always protect your joints when you are dealing with arthritis. Keep your joints moving throughout the day and avoid holding them in the same position for too long a period of time. Always consider how to best execute a task to minimize stress to your joints. In conclusion, you have learned not only that arthritis has been affecting living beings, much longer than recorded history, but you also picked up a few ways that you can make it easier for you or your loved ones to live with the condition. Hopefully, you can start using this today and live a happier life. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.